Spooky. 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 The QSP Hedgehog. Hello. Hope you're having a good day. Today we have a box in the QSP Hedgehog. Let's see. Hedgehog's cool. Nice slip joint. Clickety clickety. Some foam. Some foam. (1931) Leatherworks. I've had this Hedgehog for a while. Haven't carried it much because I wanted a slip for it. So we got a hold of 1931 Leatherworks, and he makes slips. Went over what colors I wanted, and he put it together. Let's check it out. Very cool. I have a darker green with black stitching. Yeah, this looks great. Got his logo on there. Oh, this thing's freaking cool. Now I got something to put the old Hedgehog in and stick it in my pocket. So, yeah, this is great. I like the black around the edges. Black stitching. Dyed green. Now this is going to wear in really cool. The Hedgehog has a home. Stick it in there one more time. Yeah, fits right in there. Awesome. This is super cool. So once again, this is from 1931 Leatherworks. Didn't charge a whole lot for these. I'll put a link to his Instagram in the description if you're interested in one of these. Rah, 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 rah. Yeah. Heck yeah. That's great. Just got to leave it in there a while, throw it in the pocket, and wear it in. This is awesome. 1931 Leatherworks. Leather slip joint slip. This is super cool. Very happy to finally have a slip for this thing. Yeah. It's gonna be good. Pop it out one more time. Pop it out. Push it in. Heck yeah. This is gonna be good. Can't wait to carry this guy around. Thanks for making this thing. Thanks for watching. Check them out. Have a great day.